This is MicroStrategy on the daily chart, and MicroStrategy is a software intelligence firm that was founded by Michael Saylor back in 1989. However, in 2020, he decided to make a pivot and convert all his free cash into Bitcoin, and thus begun the Bitcoin money glitch. Now, again, this is the daily chart, and there's a couple of ways to look at this. One could say that you are in a potentially in the makings of a downtrend. However, if you look at the most recent price action, you can say that price is in an uptrend. Either way you slice it, you can't deny what Michael Saylor has done over the past 4 or 5 years, and thus he's getting praised by everyone in the world who believes in Bitcoin, and most recently Forbes magazine. Let's get into it, and then we'll get into where some levels where I would be backing up the dump truck. Forbes magazine featured Michael Saylor, chairman of MicroStrategy, on its cover, dubbing him the Bitcoin Alchemist in recognition of his transformative influence on the financial world through cryptocurrency. At age 59, Saylor has become one of the most pivotal figures in the Bitcoin space, leading his company to hold the largest corporate Bitcoin portfolio, second only to Satoshi. In August of 2020, Saylor made a strategic decision to pivot MicroStrategy's future towards Bitcoin, a move that was initially greeted with skepticism. However, this decision has since proven as transformative, as public firms are increasingly adopting Bitcoin as the treasury asset, a trend that Saylor helped initiate. The company's bold investment in Bitcoin has paid off handsomely. By 2024, as Bitcoin value soared, Saylor's personal net worth surged from $1.9 billion to $7.6 billion within a year. That's crazy, crazy stuff. And the company's stock rose by more than 700%. This growth has not only elevated Saylor's financial status, but also has cemented his position as a central figure in the ongoing Bitcoin revolution. Now, MicroStrategy continues to reinforce its commitment to Bitcoin, having recently acquired an additional 10,000 BTC valued at over $1 billion, with plans to continue expanding its Bitcoin holdings. As Bitcoin is predicted to reach even greater heights, Saylor's legacy as its staunch advocate is likely to grow alongside it. Now, Bitcoin is down roughly $3,500, trading at $9,400. So when MicroStrategy stock opens up Monday morning, I would anticipate a gap down. Now, a couple of things to note. You do have this gap to fill near $280. You also know there's buyers there because when price came down, it reversed. So at a minimum, expects price to pause at this 280 level. But these are the levels down here where you back up the dump truck. If price was to get this low, you would have to see Bitcoin trading at about 80K. You also see nicely the 200-day moving average starting to move into the zone. This is a level on level. And typically what you do on a level in this case, going long, you put your stop below the lower level, the zone, and you put your entry just in the middle. And then because we're in the beginning of the year and the last leg higher for Bitcoin, you can target all-time highs at about $550. But if and when you get long, the best strategy is to scale out. Again, this is the last year of the Bitcoin's bull cycle before we go into a retrenchment in 2026. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.